In this brief video, I will show you how to use Midway University's research guides. To find the research guides, you'll start on the library's webpage. To get to the library's webpage, you'll go to www.midway.edu/library. Then, on the left-hand side of the library's webpage, you will find the research guides. There is a research guide for every major at the university, plus one for English 101 and 102, and one for Women's Studies. All research guides follow the same format. I'm going to use the Biology Research Guide to give you a tour, but all guides will have this same format. To enter the guide, click on its link, and you'll be taken to the main page for the research guide. Each research guide has two sections. On the left-hand side, you will find links to help you with the research process. Across the top, you will find links to the library's resources for this subject. Let's look at the links for the research process first. On the left-hand side, you will find information to help you formulate your research topic, find information, find library resources, evaluate information, use information, and cite information. You will also find a link for tutorials for our databases. Under Formulate a Research Topic, you will find tips on how to do your exploratory research in order to formulate a research topic that isn't too broad or too narrow. Under Find Information, you will find tips for which resources are appropriate at each stage of the research process. Under Find Library Resources, you'll find the same links to the library resources that you see across the top of the main page. Under Evaluate Information, you'll find tips to help you determine if the sources that you found are appropriate for an academic paper or not. Under Use Information, you'll find information about how to summarize and how to paraphrase, when to quote, and how to integrate all of your research into one coherent paper. And under Cite Information, you will find tips for how to cite your resources using the APA format. Each of these links on the left contain a short video and text tips. Now let's look at the library resources across the top of the research guide. There you will find news, find websites, find videos, find articles, find ebooks, and find books. Under Find News, you will see the RSS feeds, or news feeds, of several major magazines, trade journals, and academic journals in the field. These links are links to articles in the journal on each individual tab. These links will take you to the article with this title, and they will help you keep up to date with current news in your field. Also, looking at the current headlines in your field may give you ideas if you're having trouble choosing a topic. The next link, Find Websites, will take you to websites related to your field. Each guide will have a Best Bets tab, which features reliable, credible websites in the field. It will then have a Data and Statistics tab, which will give you links to websites where you can find statistics for the field. Under Find Websites, you will also find links to professional organizations related to this field. The next link, Find Video, will take you to the links to Ambrose Videos and Culture Unplugged. Both of these websites offer academic videos that can be used as primary source material for many research projects. The next link, Find Articles, is probably the most important link. Here you will find all the scholarly databases that are related to the field. So here in the Biology Research Guide, you will find the Science Reference Center, Agricola, Greenfile, Science Direct, and so forth. In other research guides, you will find the databases that are applicable to that field. And you will always find in each guide under Find Articles at the top, Academic Search Complete, which is a good place to start your research because it is a general database that searches across many subjects. The next link is Find Ebooks. Under Find Ebooks, you can either search the entire ebook academic collection, either by category on the left, or by entering a keyword in the search bar. Under Search Ebooks, you can also find a gallery of featured ebooks that are related to the current classes being offered in any particular semester. All of these ebooks are available for immediate download. They download as a PDF and they are searchable. So if you don't have time to read an entire book, don't let that stop you. You can download an ebook, search for the particular term that you're looking for, and go directly to that section of the book and read just that. The last library resource in every research guide is Find Books. On the Find Books page, you can search the Midway University Library Catalog for books, or you can search WorldCat, which will show you books that are available not necessarily just at Midway University, but that you can get through interlibrary loan. Finally, if you need help using any of the resources that we've just looked at, you can always go to the Database Tutorials link and find tutorials on how to use our EBSCO, LexisNexis, Statista, and library website resources. As always, if you have any questions using any of these resources or need help with your research, come by the library or email library@midway.edu with any questions.